In this video, I'll show you exactly how to leverage AI to build a high-performing Google profile for your business to attract more leads, get noticed online, and I'll let you in on a little tip that only the top marketers know. This is exactly how I've helped multiple businesses create and optimize their Google business profiles. So join me as I create a new Google business profile from scratch for a client that I onboarded just this morning. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is come up here to the little 3x3 dots and click on Business Profile Manager and let that do its thing. So it'll come up with a sign like this, and you go add a business, so add a single business. So business name is The Farmer's Florist. Create a business with this name, business category, florist. Incredibly important which category you put in, because when people are searching for you, if they're searching for a florist or a gym or anything, the category will help you help Google to sift out what's not what the searcher is looking for. So just hit next. Yes, we do want to add a location the customers can visit. So you want to choose your country or region. This one happens to be in Australia. Then we have the address, which I've copied and pasted, 142 Breezer Station Road, Breezer. So with this one. Yep. And Breezer, New South Wales, 2381. Awesome. Do you provide a deliveries or home and office visits? So if you visit a delivery to your customers, you can let them know where you're willing to go. So it's yes on this in this case for my client, because she delivers to the Tamworth area, which happens to be just down the road. And the areas she serves. So she says Tamworth. She'll also serve Liverpool Plains and beyond as well. Yeah. So her phone number is 0429174880. I like to have spaces in there because it looks a bit nicer. Website is the farmersflorist.com.au. She doesn't have that website set up. I'm going to do that for her very soon, but we bought the domain a minute ago. So next, select a way to get verified. I'll have to have a talk to her about this. I'm not 100% sure what she wants to do, whether it's a business video or on the phone. I will be right back. Okay, awesome. So we're all now verified. That's all been done. So now we get to opening hours. So we're making sure people know when they can find you when your shop's open, or when they can reach out to you. So Julia at Farmers Florist is open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at 9 o'clock, between 9 and 5. So I'll just fill this out and I'll be right back. So now we're up to the business description. This is where you can start really leveraging AI to help you out into describing your business, sometimes better than what you can actually do it yourself. So what I like to do here is I've found an article here on my client, so the Farmers Florist, and it's got a heap of good stuff here. So what I've done is I've copy and pasted it all over onto a Google Doc. So this is what I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help us write. So I'm going to say, write me a short description summarizing the following. Now, Google Business profiles descriptions can only be 750 characters long, so you ask ChatGPT to write it out to that. It cannot be more than 750 characters long. Mainly focus on the business side of things, because there's a lot of talk about her family, and it's a Google business description, not a Google family description. In her website, we're going to write about her family life and a little bit about her. So so I'll go back to my document, Control A, Control C, back into ChatGPT. and then send. So this is what it's spitting out, as you can see. Awesome. So read over this and see how it is. If you like it, and copy and paste it. If there's a few things that you don't quite like, then you can change it up to whatever you need it to be. So as it turns out, this is all pretty good. So we can just copy and paste it onto there, and as you can see, it's 681 characters out of 750. So there we go. So we just go next, and we'll see where we got next. So add some photos of your shop. So I've got a few photos here of what she does. So we'll add some of this and add all of these. The more photos, the better. Probably not that one. So the more photos, the better. You can update. You can keep. If you keep on adding photos, it shows that Google is keeping. It shows Google that you're keeping your profile updated, and it'll keep you on top of the searches. So there's just a handful of photos there, and we would not want to claim our $600 worth of advertising. So once we're all verified, which hopefully that goes through without a hitch, then it'll come up, and we'll get to see this this page here. So this is the unverified, unedited profile. So we'll come back once this has all been verified, and we'll go from there. So while we wait, we're going to add some social profiles to the Google Business Profile. So that'll pop up underneath the description here. So all you got to do is you got to come up here, and you can either click this button or you can go edit profile. And I like to use this interface more than what the whole other, when you're creating it. This is just, it's just much easier. It's a lot more user-friendly, I suppose. So here we go. We just go to add social profiles, and then we go social profile, and we'll go Instagram, and I've opened up her Instagram file here. So just Control C in the URL bar, Control V in the Instagram, and then add another one, and then Facebook, and then I've got her Facebook open, Control C in the URL, and then Control V. So that will, then we hit save. So that'll be pending. Give it about 10 minutes, and hopefully it should be reviewed. Okay, so all those edits have been approved. All my photos got deleted apart from the logo, but that's something I have to deal with another time. It mustn't be relevant enough to what Google thinks, but that's all good. So you can see, as you can see, you get name, phone number, address, business hours, all that stuff there. The website goes to this website. I've got to build it, so it's not going anywhere just yet. You have the Farmer's Florist description that we made with AI, and if you click over onto, this is my other another Google profile of mine, you can see that the Instagram and Facebook profiles go through to there. So the one tip that I can show you that most people do not know about is when it comes to questions. So if you get somebody to ask a question, you say something like, can't think of a question right now, so we'll ask ChatGPT. What is a frequently asked question that florists of dried agricultural flowers get? Let's go 3. What is 3 frequently asked questions that florists of dried agricultural flowers get? That'll do. See what they think. Here are some. There you go. How long do the dried flowers last? Are eco-friendly, and how are they preserved? Can I use dried flowers for special events like weddings? Now, that's perfect, because my client, she does weddings. So we're going to write this as a question, okay, just for example. Now, that will come up, that will be in the questions section. So as you can see all questions. So what we can do from here is we can go to different accounts. So I've got this account from me, and I have, this is me and my wife's account, and then we have one more. So this one. So I've got 3 different accounts. So if we go to the Farmer's Forest Breezer should come up, and then you'll see that there's a question. So if you go in there and you click, can you use dried flowers for special events like weddings, and you press a like on that one. So then we'll go to another profile, and then we'll go Farmer's Forest Breezer. Then you go see all questions, and then you press like on that. And then you go to the third one, and then you go to the questions, and you press yet again another like, and then you go to the answer, and you go to the answers. So we'll refresh this page. See all questions. So we can answer that. And then we'll go use ChatGPT. So dry flowers are becoming increasingly popular advanced, especially rustic finches, egg. Blah, 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 blah. Answers the question perfectly. So copy that, paste that into the answer. Centerpieces, we'll change all these just so it doesn't look so bad in Australian. So we can post that. And because that's got all the likes, so we can go through and we can go and like all the answer as well. And what will happen then is this question will auto-populate onto, we'll see the answer. We'll go through and like all the answers as well. So we're going to get all those likes on that answer as well. So we'll refresh the page here. Okay, so what we've done is with all those questions, all that work we put in, you can see all the questions there, but if we refresh the page, it's not coming up. That's fine. So if we go to the maps, you'll be able to see Farmer's Forest, and as you can see, it's populated on the maps here. You can scroll down, and there's questions and answers. If we didn't have all those likes on the questions and all the likes on the answers, this question wouldn't pop up at all. I can show you by doing this. So we can just go to some other random forest near me, and we'll go to the maps, and we can see that there is no question on the side here. So this is just a random other map, Google profile. So as you can see, this is where the question will pop up, but we've got that question auto populated there because it was quite a popular one. So when it comes to building a Google business profile, it's never been easier. As you can see, we've got questions populated. We've got ChatGPT to write us an awesome description, everything you need, and it really didn't take that long. It only took me about 2 hours from start to finish. It includes recording this video. So if you'd like to know more about how else I help business owners like yourself get more leads through expansion onto the online space, or just creating your profile online, not just from Google, but our website and some awesome CTAs, then just click the link in the description. It'll go to my website, and you can fill out the form to reach out, and I'll talk to you there. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.